Hi, this is Andrew for Geek News Central, and in front of us here we have a somewhat long in the tooth Fitbit ChargeHR. It's as you can see, it's definitely in need of replacement. You can see here the plastic's cracked, the strap's coming away from the body, and up here it's really, well, it's just basically completely gone. Now, having said that, the electronics all work fine, measures my pulse and all those kinds of things. So what I'd hoped to do was to take the unit out of this and put it into one of the third-party aftermarket cases. So here I've got a very snazzy silvery case from a vendor. I think it was on Amazon, might have been eBay, but I think it was Amazon. And it's all very snazzy. I think there's a kind of magnetic bracelet and all this kind of stuff. So we'll give it a go, and if we break it in doing the work, we'll just chalk it down to experience. So when I bought the kit came with the new case, it came with some little bag of screws, and it came with some tools. So a little kind of pry tool and a little screwdriver. And helpfully it also came with some instructions. Now they're not particularly comprehensive, but we're going to go and try and follow along for those. So let's just bear with me. So step one is to unscrew the 4 tiny screws with the screwdriver. So let's see if we can do that without too much hassle. That's one done, I think. That's the second one. Get that one actually out. Maybe just fall out later on. And then we've got these two up here. Oops. Now, if you are doing this, I would recommend that you do it over a cloth or a table or something. Okay, well, let's just rip that off. It's not. That's better. Okay. That's that one. Just see if I can get this lot. That's it. So that's all 4 screws out of those. Now I don't know if I'll need those again, so we'll just keep those there. And this is just going to peel off, but let's just get that off. Yeah, well, that piece doesn't want to quite come off. So the instruction says there are 4 built-in locks inside of the main body. Move gently, use the pry tool to try and get these apart. So I think it means in here. Let's try. Really want to. Should have got a pair of scissors. Oh, here we go. So I'm just going to cut this. That's it. So we're not ever going to use that lot again. It's just. And I'm going to guess. It really talks about getting in here to get the electronics away. Let's see if we can. Yeah, that's it. Just see if we can do the same thing again on the other side without this side coming off. That's it. So far, so good. There we have it. Okay, so we've obviously got an electronicsy bit there, and it looks like there's still something stuck in here. So let's just see what it says here. Yeah, so step 4, you'll find it calls it an NFC film inside the old case. Please peel it off and stick in the same position in the new case. Okay, so I presume this is the little film here that it's talking about. Not sure A, I'll ever need it, and also B, how well it would work inside this this metal case. So, but I guess sorry, I'm just trying to open this bit of space up a wee bit. Don't know if that's going to. Yes, it does. There we go. So we've got the old case and we've got the new case here. So let's see if we can get this little film off. How does it suggest? It just peels it off. We'll give it a go to get it off, and if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. You really need to have, oh, I got it. I was going to say, you need to have good fingernails. There we go, so I got that off. So let's just see if we can make sure we get this back in the right place. Well, I think that's as back in the right place as near as damn it, as they say. But as I said, I don't think it really needed much more. Okay, so what's it say next? Sorry, wasn't really paying attention to the camera here. So I've managed to put that in there. Looks to me to be roughly in the same place as it was before. I can always go back and check the footage, but I think it is. And now I think we just need to clip this very carefully in there. And it still seems to be working. That was pretty good. I'm so far pretty pleased with that. Anyway, let's get these. So that's that. Let's get these little screws in. They've helpfully given. We won't use the old ones. We'll just use some of the new ones that they've provided. This is going to be a slightly tricky bit. Just trying to get the screws into the. There we go. Let's try and get the first. You can see the screws just got in. Can't believe it, that one just went straight in. Okay, so got all the screws in. Let's just tighten them up one by one. Oops, so very this is so fiddly, but it's not if you. That's it. I've just noticed these has easy switch. What are they called? Oh, can't remember what they're called. Come to me in a minute. Spring bars. Easy spin bars. So you can really just see my big fat wrist. But look, the basics are we're getting this. Getting this in. Oops. I think much as I don't like to do this, it's hard to know how to much tighten these up, but I guess a pretty good indicator is that when the little screwdriver starts slipping, you've probably tightened it enough. There it is. Sometimes it's difficult just to get it to. Oop. There we go. So I think that's pretty much it. I've started the timer mode. Let's see if I can just turn it off. That's it. Okay, so I had to take a wee break there and redo some of the work that I'd already done. What I noticed was that there was actually a small piece of dust hiding behind the screen here, so that will be my top tip, and give the screen a wee clean before you reassemble everything, and then you won't have to do it all over again. So let's just put it on the wrist. I'm pretty pleased with this, and just check this, it all works. There we go. So the time is, it is indeed 20 minutes past midnight. And if I just toggle through the functions, steps, well, I haven't done any steps today because we've just clicked over from midnight. Heart rate 122, that seems a little high. It'll no doubt settle down as I put the, I've only just put the Fitbit HR onto my wrist, so it's probably still working things out. Obviously no distance. I've burnt 36 calories and 44 calories in the 22 minutes since midnight, and I haven't been up any steps. But oh no, I mustn't forget my alarm goes off tomorrow at 7:05, so I really ought to get to bed. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with that. As I said, sorry, just cuffs untied, it's annoying me. As I said, I think I just paid perhaps a little bit over £10 for this, and you know, it's a good quality item actually. This, I mean, it's well finished, solid metal as far as I can tell. And it's got this nice, I think it would be called a Milanese bracelet. Definitely much more stylish than the plastic junk that we had before. Though to be fair, I'm not sure when the ChargeHR came out. It's done reasonably well up until this point. And then all of a sudden, everything seemed to start to go, from the plastic casing at the top, rubber band. It was either new case or put it in the bin. And these days, I always like not to put things in the bin unless it's really the last resort. So look, that's Andrew for Geek News Central, drawing to a close this rebodying of a Fitbit ChargeHR. Thanks very much.